Why do wires have electrical resistance? Have you ever wondered why some wires seem to slow down the flow of electricity? This is a fascinating question that takes us into the world of electrical resistance. Let's break it down in a way that makes sense. Wires have electrical resistance because of the materials they are made from. At a tiny level, wires consist of atoms arranged in a structure. When we apply voltage, electrons start to move through these wires. However, as they travel, they bump into atoms and imperfections in the material. This interaction slows them down and turns some of their energy into heat. This slowing down of electrons is what we call electrical resistance. Several factors influence how much resistance a wire has. First, the type of material is essential. For instance, metals like copper and silver have low resistance. Their atomic structure allows electrons to move freely. On the other hand, materials like steel have higher resistance, making it harder for electrons to flow. Next, the length of the wire plays a role. The longer the wire, the more collisions electrons encounter. This increases resistance. Imagine trying to run through a crowded room. The longer the room, the more people you bump into. The thickness of the wire is another factor. Thicker wires provide more pathways for electrons to travel through. This reduces resistance, allowing for a smoother flow of electricity. Think of it like a wide road versus a narrow alley. More lanes mean less traffic. Temperature also affects resistance. As a wire heats up, its atoms vibrate more. This increased movement causes more collisions for the electrons, leading to higher resistance. So, when wires get hot, they can resist the flow of electricity even more. Understanding electrical resistance is important in our daily lives. For example, low resistance in power cables ensures that electricity is delivered efficiently with minimal energy loss. Conversely, resistance is used intentionally in devices like electric heaters. Here, it converts electrical energy into heat, warming up our homes. Resistance wires made from specific alloys are designed to create controlled heating in appliances like toasters and electric blankets. This shows how resistance is not just a hindrance but can also be useful in various applications. By grasping why wires have resistance, we can better understand how electricity behaves in circuits. This knowledge helps us choose the right materials and wire sizes for different tasks. It connects the principles of physics to the technology we use every day, making our lives easier and more efficient.